Welcome to vSkills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for cloud computing. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What do you understand by virtualization? The answer is: virtualization is a technology which enables developing and running software-based virtual machines of same or different operating system on a single hardware for better resource utilization. Question number 2. What is server virtualization in cloud computing? The answer is: server virtualization in cloud computing refers to the division of a physical server into smaller virtual servers for enhanced utilization of its resources. Question number 3. What is network virtualization in cloud computing? The answer is: network virtualization in cloud computing involves creating a virtual network by combining hardware and software resources. The virtual network is accessible irrespective of the underlying physical resource. Question number 4. What is desktop virtualization? The answer is: desktop virtualization refers to the virtualization of a desktop that is the operating system and installed application software so that the software is separate from the physical device. Question number 5. What do you understand by VDI? The answer is: VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure, refers to the computing infrastructure which hosts a desktop environment in a virtual machine on a server. Question number 6. Illustrate host machine. The answer is: a host machine refers to a physical machine hosting single or multiple virtual machines. Question number 7. Explain hypervisor. The answer is: the hypervisor is virtual machine management software that interacts with the physical hardware and acts as a bridge between virtual machines and the hardware. Question number 8. What is IaaS, PaaS, and Saas? The answer is: IaaS, cloud-based services, pay-as-you-go for services such as storage, networking, and virtualization. PaaS, hardware and software tools are available over the internet. Saas, software that's available via third-party over the internet. On-premise, software that's installed in the same building as your business. Question number 9. Which cloud service model provides virtual infrastructure and operating system but no applications? The answer is: software as a service, SaaS, is a cloud computing offering that provides users with access to a vendor's cloud-based software. Users do not install applications on their local devices. Instead, the applications reside on a remote cloud network accessed through the web or an application programming interface. Question number 10. What do you understand by Caas in cloud computing? The answer is: Caas in cloud computing expands to communication as a service which provides enterprise-level communication services on the cloud without physical hardware. The services usually include virtual private networks, unified communications, etc. Question number 11. What are the 4 types of cloud deployment models? The answer is: each deployment model is defined according to where the infrastructure for the environment is located. There are 4 cloud deployment models: public, private, community, hybrid. Question number 12. Which cloud deployment model lets users use multiple cloud models working together seamlessly? The answer is: in the hybrid model, users use multiple cloud models working together seamlessly. Hybrid model is the mix of both public and private clouds. Question number 13. Which cloud model involves cloud infrastructure being used by users with shared concerns? The answer is: the community cloud model provides cloud infrastructure to users with shared concerns and forming a community around it. Question number 14. Which cloud models provide services that can be accessed by the public? The answer is: public cloud. The cloud services are exposed to the public and can be used by anyone. An example of a public cloud is Amazon Web Services. Question number 15. Which cloud is meant only for one organization? The answer is: a private cloud is dedicated to the needs and goals of a single organization. Question number 16. What is transparency in cloud computing? The answer is: transparent computing is a computing paradigm in which services are shared. This paradigm focuses on separating the storage and execution of applications and software, which include operating systems. The data and programs are often executed in servers designed exclusively for clients or execution of services. Question number 17. Why the traditional computing is considered expensive? The answer is: due to high capital as well as ongoing working expenditure along with downtime periods due to periodic maintenance makes the traditional computing expensive. Question number 18. Which file contains your virtual machine's basic input-output system settings? The answer is .nvram, a file that contains the virtual machine's basic input-output system. Question number 19. Is it possible to increase the resources limits for Google Cloud Platform accounts? The answer is, quotas protect the Google Cloud community from unforeseen spikes in usage. However, as your usage of Google Cloud Platform increases, you can request an increase in your quota. Question number 20. How to prioritize tasks? The answer is, task priority depends upon relevance and urgency. Other factors of consideration are cost involved and resource availability. Question number 21. Which port number will be used if you need to connect by FTP? The answer is, 21. Port number is used for FTP. Question number 22. Which of the following tools can be used to perform a zone transfer? The answer is, many tools can be used to perform a zone transfer. Some of these include NSLOOKUP, Host, Dig, SAMSPADE. Question number 23. What are the service level agreement cloud considerations? The answer is, 5 things to look for in a cloud service level agreement. Availability, data ownership, cloud hardware and software, disaster recovery and backup, customer responsibilities. Question number 24. What is Microsoft Lync used for? The answer is, Microsoft Lync is an instant messaging client used with Skype for Business Server or with Skype for Business Online, available with Microsoft Office 365. They replace Windows Messenger, which ran with Microsoft Exchange Server. Question number 25. How does cloud provider resolves an addresses service outage in a cloud environment? The answer is, root cause analyses are used for resolution and service level agreements address service outages in a cloud environment. Question number 26. How will you manage conflict? The answer is, various conflict resolution techniques like collaborating, forcing, accommodating, avoiding or compromising are used to resolve a conflict depending upon the situation. Question number 27. How does cloud providers provide multitenancy in cloud computing? The answer is, multitenancy in cloud computing is provided due to resource pooling, hence multiple tenants can be provisioned on a single machine. Question number 28. What are the risks associated with public cloud services? The answer is, the main security risks of cloud computing are compliance violations, identity theft, malware infections and data breaches, diminished customer trust and potential revenue loss. Question number 29. How will physically separate hosts can communicate though in the same broadcast domain? The answer is, by using the virtual local area network both can communicate. Question number 30. What does resource pooling enable in cloud computing? The answer is, resource pooling allows cloud providers to pool large-scale IT resources to serve multiple cloud consumers. Different physical and virtual IT resources are dynamically assigned and reassigned according to cloud consumer demand, typically followed by execution through statistical multiplexing. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.